Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So today I have a new restocking video from July 1st. So this one is Firework Cloud, and it's a tri-colored cloud slime that's scented cherries, and it will come swirled like this, and the outcome is a dark red. The next one is 4th of July, and it's another tri-colored slime with white stars on the top, and it's a butter slime scented like blueberries and cherries. And the outcome is the same color as the last one. Next one is Peach Whip, and it's scented peaches, and it's a super sizzly butter slime, and it comes with yellow star glitters mixed throughout. Next one is called Oreo Cheesecake Bits, and it's a super creamy and soft and glossy base with Java chips and big white foam beads, scented like the name, and it has black glitters mixed throughout the slime. Next one is called Pastel Cloud, and it is a super drizzly and dense cloud slime, and it will come with purple glitters on the top of it, and is scented like cupcakes. The next one is called Rose Mint Scrub, and it is a white and pink cloud slime with pink glitters mixed throughout, and it will come with 3 iridescent pearls on top. It is also scented like wintergreen mint. The next one is a new cloud slime called Bunch of Berries, and is a tri-colored slime mixed with pink, purple, and white, and it is scented like berries, strawberries, and blueberries. The next one is actually a sale slime. It is called Strawberry Sorbet, and it is a cloud cream, and it has large and small pink glitters mixed throughout, and is scented like strawberries. The next one is called Peach Jelly, and it is a peach colored and scented jelly cube slime. The next one is a recreation of Lemon Lime Cooler. This is Sprite, and it is a super glossy and thick base with green, yellow, and white foam beads. The next one is my bestseller Sweet Tarts. This week it will be sold in an 8-ounce container. It is a tri-colored cloud slime scented like cotton candy with iridescent glitters on the top. This week it might not be tri-colored, it might only have purple and blue. That's because it mixes. The next one is marbled butter, and it's just like the name. It is a white and black butter slime marbled together. The next one is Fairy Floss, and it is a super vibrant pink cloud slime with gold flakes mixed in between. It is an unscented cloud slime, so if you do not like scent, this one is definitely a must-have. The next one is another one of my best sellers. This is Rose Pearls, and it is a super light pink jelly slime, and it will come with 2 to 4 little iridescent pearls on top. The last one is one of my favorites. It is pineapple butter, and is a super creamy and soft butter slime scented like pineapples.